what's up, guys? We do a lot of miles. We have our bikes are always rolling, a lot of trips. One real important thing to do is change the tires. Well, we're going to bring that to you today. We're going to go over to Rocker Harley Davidson. They're going to install our tires for us today.
We're going to put the Dunlop Elites, American Elites on. They're already at the shop. Then we also have a Galfer rotor that we'll put on the rear. We've got the fronts up and running, but we need to put the rear one on, and we'll show you that as well.
So yeah, we're going to go over and see Big Red. He's our #1 dude over there at Top Rocker, and we're going to get this thing taken care of. So here we are at Top Rocker Harley Davidson. We've come here for years. Big Red, our man,
What's up?
Justin, he's been here for how many?
20 years.
20 years or so, and we have purchased all of our motorcycles here. These guys have the most awesome shop. They're family. They take care of us. They take care of their people that come in for service. This is the place, and we're going to do our tire change right here.
Yeah, and you won't normally get this with your guys at the shops. We were out on a trip a couple years ago. My bike broke down. Guess what? I pick up the cell phone. I call Justin, Big Red, and he answers the phone. He tells us what's going on. We fix it, and we're back on the road. So it's a great relationship that we have here with these guys. It's perfect.
So whether you're buying a bike, need parts, service, whatever, these guys are the guys.
Yeah, come see them.
Yes, sir.
We'll go in there and
Get the tire change going.
yeah, we'll watch that happen. As you can see, we have the Legends on here with the remote reservoir right here where you can adjust it. I'm really having fun with these shocks. I mean, just like good tires, these shocks keep you on the road. And I've taken the tires off at the shop and I brought it over and they've done it for me, but they have all the proper tools, and you know, with your tires you want to make sure that they're right and they have everything you need. So this is a good way to show you. Go to your tech and get it done right. The only thing between you and the road is the rubber. So I'm gonna put the Galfer rotors on today with the brake pads. These are available on our website as well if you want to have some stopping power. I have them on the front, and the reason they aren't on the back right now is I was waiting for a tire change because I didn't feel like doing it. Well, I can do it all at once now. So.
Hey guys, so these are the new shoes for the bikes. They're Dunlop American Elites. The front, we run a 130/60B 19. And on the backs, we run a 180/55B 18. Great tread. Go look at them on our website. You can pick them up there. Good stuff.
Well, it's amazing when you get the tires off the bike and you think they're okay, and then you look at them and you're like, they're not okay. I mean, that's probably all right for a little longer, but I'm not going to get 1,500 miles away from my house and have this thing go, you know?
So Alex, you just broke the bead on the tire and got a little soap on it.
Got a little lube, make it easier to get the tire off.
There you go.
And the machine does it all.
Man.
Alloy art cush drive really makes for a
Good timing.
quick contact as you take off from a light.
Yeah, so we're in for this tire change, and we got the back wheel off mine, and I've picked up a nail, so pretty good timing to get this done. Yeah.
Here's a close-up of the
Did you take
alloy
that out
art
of mine?
cush drive.
Yeah, that's yours.
So, like I say, it just gives you a firmer, almost like that chain feel as you take off. So, really good update, and it's made in the USA.
Californians, you'll know what cush means. This is really for our bikes, you know. This is the green push for the bike. Thanks, Red.
Yeah, it's probably like just like 30 seconds, which
Yeah.
is
We can send it back.
on the door of trying to change it.
Yeah. So guys, you know, I've been talking about this CVO and how I check my air pressure. I mentioned that in the video, how we prepare. This is the trick right here. Hit the button and you get your air pressure. Perfect. Lube is your friend. Yeah, so we got the new tires on, new rotors are moving on. Super stoked to run these tires today, and really appreciate the help that the guys at Top Rocker have given us. Great dudes. You need to come see these guys. Yeah, so we're here at Top Rocker getting the tires done, but wanted to show you a couple things while the bike's a little naked. We replaced the front floorboards and the passenger floorboards with some fresh sheets from Thrash and Supply. Kind of scraped the bottoms off the others. The others had about 160,000 miles on them because I had them on a different bike as well. Also run this Cobra Pro Series exhaust. It's 4.5 inch down to a 3.5 inch. Great sound, great power out of it. The tech on my bike is Kyle. He's over here. Took the exhaust off. You can see he's getting to that wheel. Kyle, say hello to us.
How's it going, everybody?
How long you been working here?
I've been working here for this is like going on my 7th year with Red.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You do a lot of great work for us. Appreciate it.
Well, you guys bring in a lot of work.
He's got some cool. Kyle, what do you write?
I got the Road Glide on the lift right there. I got a 2014 lowrider. Those are my two babies.
Nice.
Whew, that's a toughie.
So we're gonna replace with those beautiful Galfer rotors. Nothing like fresh rubber. I mean, check this out. I mean, I'm excited to go rib. So here it is. This is kind of like a piece of jewelry. I'm excited about this. It's gonna look good on there.
So how many foot-pounds, Alex?
The spec is 40 to 45.
And you got a little bit of Loctite on those suckers too,
Yeah, I
right?
usually try and use blue because if you get red on there, you're gonna have a hard time getting that off.
Yeah. Yep, that's the way to go.
So as you can see, he did the torque wrench on that, 40, 45 foot-pounds of torque. That's a lot better than dad tight, because dad tight, you never know. You might not be able to get it off. Got to keep them clean, you know. Sometimes this is the only way you can get in there is when they're off. It won't stay clean long enough, you know.
So along with the rotors, you're just seeing this close up. This is our brake pads that we're running. Also the Galfers on the rear. Galfer rotor, Galfer on the front, Galfer brake pads on the front as well. So we're all Galfered out. So I'm super stoked. We got one down, one to go. We're gonna put some rubber on the front, but you can see the setup now on the rear. You got this Legend suspension, the brand new Galfer rotor, and you got the gold right in between here that's gonna give me the stopping power I need. Love those new pads.
So also after you're done changing your tires, before you tighten everything up, you might want to check your belt. It's always good to make sure the tension is correct on that belt. 1/4 to 7/16 of play when you push. And if you look right here, you can see there's, and you measure right there. Oh, so it's loaded.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think, Josh?
A little bit of weightlifting here.
So what? You don't put anything in your bags? They're meant to be stored.
I put what I need.
They're meant for storage. I've got a computer.
Right
I've
here,
got
my leg.
a fridge. I've got salami, I've got beer, cheese.
There you go, lunch. So we just finished up both our bikes, tire change, front and rear rotors with brakes. Galfer, Kyle, Alex, Big Red. These guys over here at Top Rocker really take care of their people. So remember Top Rocker.
Their service department's open, and once this all lifts, sales will be back. You can do sales online, Harley Davidson, but great group of people here. You know, we talk about family. This is part of our family.
Right here. Top Rocker.
Rocks. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, pound that button hard, and also in the comments section if you want.
Check out our website for the blogs and vlogs and all the good stuff.
2aneLife.com.